Yes, see children, so we in the Free Birds poem, now see the workbook part. See the workbook part. All of you open your workbook. Open your workbook and see the workbook part. First one, what do we have? Nurture your mind. So what do we have under this? Answer the following. What do we have? Answer the following questions. So see the first question, what do we have? Why are birds free? First question, why are birds free? Right? Why are they free? That is to roam the sky. Na? So see the first question, write the first question. Why are birds free? Why are birds free? Write answer for that. Birds are free to roam skies. To roam the skies. To roam the skies. Right, Nana? Why are birds free? Birds are free to roam the skies. Birds are free to roam the skies. Right, ma? And see the second question, what do we have? Where do birds play? Where do birds play? Where do they play? The tree tops, na? Yes. So write the see the question. Where do birds play? Where do birds play? Write the answer for that. The birds play on the tree tops. On the tree tops. Right, Anna? And see the next question, what do we have? What do birds say? What do birds say? Yes, freedom makes us happily, dear. Right? Freedom makes us happy, my dear. Right? So write the question. See the question. What do birds say? What do birds say? So what's the answer? Write down, tell me. Birds say freedom makes them happy. Freedom makes them happy. Okay, ma. So what do birds say? Birds say freedom makes them happy. Right, children? So these are the answers. What do we have? First one, why are birds free? Birds are free to roam the skies. Why do birds play? Birds play on the where do birds play? Sorry, where do birds play? Birds play on the tree tops. And next one, what do birds say? Birds say freedom makes them happy. Birds say freedom makes them happy. Right, children? I got the answers. Very easy one. So learn this. Write first in your book and then you learn the answers. Okay then. See, children, so in the workbook, next topic we have use the letters given in the circle. Use the letters given in the circle to make as many new words as you can. So with these letters only you should create new words. what can you use? You can add vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are there na? For these you can add vowels of your own. So you can use number of vowels. Create, but all consonants you should take from these only. Okay, then you should create the new words. Okay, Nana? Okay, so how shall we start from here? So any word, your wish. So one by one, any letter T, that is with that, with these only, can you create any words? So tell me this one. So T with A, E, I, O, U, and next any letter for this. Simple letters, 3 letter word only we can take. Okay, ma. So first start with T. Start with T, like this we can go na. So start with T and another letter you should from this, and you can add vowel also. So next see this one, T, A, anything you can use. Yes, T-A-P, tap, right? So like this you tell me the words. T-A-P, tap, and T-E-N, ten, right, Nana? Like this you can write. Okay, two words first we can see, and any more means later we can. And next L. So with L, can you tell any answer? Yes, L, A, P, lap. Very good. L, A, B, lab is there. L, I, P, lip. L, I, P, lip is there. Right? Next one, N. So N, with that, can you say anything? N, I, B, nib. Right? N, O, T, not. N, U, T, nut. Right? So N, U, T, nut I am writing. N, I, B, nib I am writing. Okay, shall we do only 1, 1, 2, 2? Okay, whatever. Extra we can write, no problem, Nana. So next, B. So B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. And B-A-T, bat. Very good. And next one, W, tell me. Yes, W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. W-A-R, war. W-A-R, war. Right, understood? Like this. By adding anything from this only you should write. Next one, R. Yes, R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Okay, R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. Right, Nana? So, and 2 more words are there, na? Yes, right. Next, keep the lines and write down. So, I am giving another 4 options to you. Write down. And P. With the P, can you write anything? P-I-N, pin. Right? P-I-N, pin. P-O-T, put. P-O-T, put. P-U-T, put. Sorry. P-O-T, pot. P-U-T, put. P-E-T, pet. So, shall we write E? We didn't write, na? So, shall we write pet? So, now write pet. Pot. Put also you can write P-E-T, pet. Next one, yes. So, yes, you can write sit. S-I-T, sit. S-I-N, sin. S-I-N, sin. S-I-R, sir. S-I-R, sir. S-I-P, sip. S-A-P, sap. So many are there. Right now. So for these only you can write number of words by using A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Clear? Understood? Yes, S-U-N, sun. S-O-N, sun. So many are there. So I give just 2 to in each. 2 to in each. So remaining also you can write more. So just they asked 12 only, but we have written 14 and you can have 16 and you can write more also. Okay, Nana? Clear this one? How to write from this wheel, understood? Very good. So write, and if you want you can add more words also. There you have place na. So just beside it you write that one. Okay, ma? Note it down first. See ma? So the next one we have solve the following puzzle, following bird puzzle. So here they give bird puzzle. So we should solve this. Yes, they gave the beautiful pictures also. That birds names we should write. So see the first one. First one here, and see the picture. What do we have? Yes, peacock is there, and here pigeon is there, and here crow is there, and here duck is there, kiwi, kingfisher, owl. So these pics we have, and the spelling simple one. Okay, so first one, what do we have? Peacock. Spelling, tell me peacock spelling. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, right? Yes, very good. Peacock spelling. P here. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock spelling. And see the second one, what do we have? Pigeon, right? Pigeon. Spelling? P-I-G-E-O-N, right? So write the spelling. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Okay, Nana. And see the third one. What do we have here? Third one, this pic, what is this? Yes, crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Crow spelling? C-R-O-W. Crow. Okay. Next one, fourth one, where do we have? Here. O-W. What is this one? This word is owl. So tell me spelling. O-W-L. O-W-L. Owl. And see the fifth one. Yes. What is this? This is duck. Spelling? D-U-C-K. Already here we have. So D-U-C-K. Duck. Write that one. And next see the sixth one. What is this cute bird? Yes, kiwi it is. Kiwi spelling? K-I-W-I. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Okay, Nana. And see the next one here. Yes, that beautiful bird is kingfisher. So spelling? K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Right? K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. Okay, Nana. So peacock, pigeon, crow, owl, duck, kiwi, kingfisher. So all the birds names we got, na? So like this we have the puzzle. Okay, Nana. So write all these answers and learn it. Yes, see children, so here we have pictures. See this one. Choose a bird from the pictures. Choose a bird from the pictures. Now fill the correct options to describe it. Now fill the correct options to describe it. What are the pictures you have? See this one. Beautiful three birds they have given. What are those? Swan, and sparrow, last peacock. Swan, sparrow, peacock. Three they have given. So anyone you can take it, and about them they have given what is the suitable one, you should take it. Suppose which one can we take? Swan with a beautiful white color. Okay, so first I am writing about the swan, and if you want I'll tell you remaining also. So now first to take the swan. So what can we write? Here I am a, what is that? Swan, sparrow, peacock. What we can take? Swan. So I am a swan. Your wish, anything you can take. Three I'll tell you. So whatever you like that you write down. Okay, ma? So I am a swan. So this we should take it. And next one, I am. So swan, what it can do? Which color it is? I am dash in color. Swan is, yes, white in color. I am white in color. That we should write it. And see the next one, I can dash. Fly, dance, swim. Swan, what can it do? It can swim. So I can swim. I can swim. And next one, I like to. I like to. So swan, what it can do? Fly in the sky, swim in the pond, dance in the rain. Swan kada? We have taken swan here. That's why we should write I like to swim in the pond. So here we should write swim in the pond. I like to swim in the pond. This option we should take it. Okay, Nana. So I like to swim in the pond. Write properly. So this option we should take it. Okay. So have you written this? I am a swan. I am white in color. I can swim. I can swim. And I like to swim in the pond. I like to swim in the pond. Okay, Nana. So this is if you take about the swan. Okay. So now I am writing, I am taking second picture. What do we have? Sparrow. Sparrow. So now I am taking sparrow. Now I am taking sparrow. So write the sparrow. So now I am taking sparrow. So if we take sparrow, what can we write for the sparrow? 3 I am giving, Nana. So whatever you like that you can write it. Okay, so now I am a sparrow. Sparrow. So what the sparrow can do? Which color is it? I am dash in color. Sparrow is in which color? Brown color. I am brown in color. I am brown in color. And I can dash, fly, dance, swim. Sparrows can fly much, so I can fly. And I like to what? Fly in the sky, swim in the pond and dance in the rain. So sparrows can fly in the sky. This option you should take here. For the sparrow, this option, that is I like to fly in the sky. I like to fly in the sky. That option you should write. Okay, Nana? I am a sparrow. I am a sparrow. I am brown in color. I can fly. I like to fly in the sky. I like to fly in the sky. So these are about the sparrow. Okay. Yes. Have you written? Yes. Shall I tell you about the peacock? Very good. Have you written this? Yes. I rub this one. So see that. Yes. I am a. What can we take? I am a peacock. Shall we take the third pick? So I am a peacock. I am a peacock. So which color is it? Here looking much green color, but bluish green it is. That's why I am blue in color. Peacock generally blue, dark blue, green mixed shade we get it. So generally blue color we take it. So I am a peacock. I am blue in color and I can dash, fly, dance, swim. So peacock specialty is dancing. So I can dance. I can dance and I like to dance in the rain. So about the peacock we should take this one. I like to dance in the rain. I like to dance in the rain. I like to dance. I am a peacock. I am blue in color. I can dance. I like to dance in the rain. Yes, have you written? So all of you write whatever you like. Only one you take it, either swan or sparrow or peacock. 3 I told you, na? So according to that you write down. Your wish. Anything you can take it. Okay, na? That's your choice. Whatever you want. 3 I told you, you can take. Okay, ma? Clear? Yes, note it down. Yes, see children, so the last topic in this poem, Free Birds, that is, if you had wings like a bird, how do you feel? then what wish you want to fulfill first? If you have wings like a bird, which wish you want to fulfill first? And what will you do after fulfillment of your wish? So first wish you have something, na? What is that? And after that, what do you do with that? Okay, so that you should write your own. You have different wish, na? That's why here I am not giving any particular one. So that's why your wish, you have different kinds of wish if you have wings. So that's why, so now I am giving your option. So write your own way. So what if you get the wings like the bird? What is your first wish? What is your first wish? And then after that, what will you do? So that you should write in your book. Okay, Nana? Will you write it? Try that one. So no problem. What is your interest? So according that, you try it. Okay, ma? See you then.